Let's take this expression. F of A, B, C, D equals the summation of 0. Where am I? At the summation of 0, 3, 6, 9, 11, 13, 14, plus some don't care, sum of D, that's the don't care, at 5, 7, 10, 10, and 12. When you see the don't care, that means they don't really care if the value is 1 or 0. Since it doesn't make a difference to them, I'll use it to my advantage. Meaning, if that will help me simplify the expression, I will make it 1. If it doesn't, I will leave it alone. I'll make it a 0. Yep, they don't care about the value of that. A, B, C, D. So you have a value of 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and that's the 15. Again, this is location 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So hopefully I get the ones in every location. Now at 5 I have a don't care, we use X. At 7, I get a don't care, I'll use X. At 10, I get a don't care, I'll use X. At 12, I get a don't care. And let's read that again, because it's don't care, you can either make it 1 or 0 if it helps you. So grouping here, I see color groups here. I see this one group. I see that one group. Notice this one, there's really nothing I can do.
We could go around instead of doing
this.
Oh, no, that's the other ones I'm saying. Instead of having 2 vertical on the right, you could just go around.
You mean this and this?
Yeah.
I could do that. Yep, and do this and this. I'll take that. Where's my eraser? Suggestion, instead of going like this and leaving that empty, a better choice would definitely a better choice. That's why sometimes you want to take a closer look. Don't jump the gun, because you see them, you get excited. You go, oh, I see these 2. How about we'll do this with this and these guys together.
And then you can just take the corner.
So the don't care now, I don't need them.
You don't need the corner one?
Corner where?
The bottom right?
Here?
The top left?
Here?
Yeah.
Doesn't help me with anything.
Oh.
If you make it 1 or 0, it doesn't help you.
So as long as you group all the ones.
So in this case, I don't need the don't care.
Yeah.
It won't do me any good. If I didn't have the 1 here, then what I would have done, I would have taken these as 2 together. I can either take this with this or take this with that. I can make that a 1 or just take it with that one. So in this case, this one, I don't need the don't care. all of the don't care will stay 0. I'm not going to make them 1s. So when I read this, let me give them color here. The yellow one, what is that equal to? That's A, C bar D. Pink, purple, whatever it is, pink. That expression will be what? B, C, D bar. I can take these two ones, the blue ones, and that will be B bar, C, D, and that you're going to take it by itself, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. So notice the don't care, we're not any help here in this example. I like the color. Yes?
You can't take 0 with 10?
0 and 10. Where is 0 and 10? No. Has to be all 4. If you look at the address for this location, the question John's asking, can I take 0 and 10? They have to be adjacent because 2 cells, that means different by 1 digit. What's the address for this? For 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. For 10 is what? 1, 0, 1, 0. Notice these two are not adjacent.
Yeah, I just got confused.
They are different by 2 cells, 2 digits. Can't be. I can take these 4. If there were 4, I can take them. Because when it's 4, they can be different by 2.
Okay, so
But 2 of them can only be different by 1. 4 can be different by 2. 8 can be different by 3. 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 3. Power of 4.
thank you.
You're welcome. So this one doesn't go with that one, and that's my answer. Well, let's see if some of them will help. Let me take another one. Maybe the don't care will help. So in this case, no help with the don't care. Here's the next one. F of W, X, Y, and Z. It's the summation of 1, 3, 6, 8, 11, 14. The don't care here at locations 2, 4, 5, 13, and 15. Let's see if the don't care help me here. W, X, Y, and Z. Again, let's number them. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I have a 1 at 1, at 3, at 6, at 8, at 11, and at 14. Don't care at 2, at 4, at 5, at 13, and at 15.
This one's only semi-helpful.
Yeah, this is really not that helpful.
Like, you need
Again.
like one more key number.
Yep.
Like 7 would make it work. There's some.
Yeah, this is not the greatest thing. Again, I'm just taking these problems out of the book, by the way. No, not the one for homework.
It'd be 6, 14, 11.
Because I can take this and this. I don't need the don't care. I can take this group together again.
Then you would do
I can take these ones, so the don't care again here. Or if I want to use the don't care, I could. I could say, I don't want to do this one. I'm going to take this. I could have done it this way. So notice I'm making that one because it helps me, and the 0 stays. So I could either take it with this or take it with that one. So this will have two solutions to it. I can go this way, or I can go that way. So if I want, I can make that a 1, and this will be my expression. If I take it that way, that will read what?
A bar,
W bar.
Y bar, Z.
That one will be what? X.
Y, Z bar.
The blue one. I need one more color.
X bar YZ.
X bar, Y, Z, yep. And that one is W, X bar, Y bar, Z bar. So far the don't care really not much help. I used it here. I didn't need to use it. I could have took this one. So this I could have said or. I could have went up and down. And if I went up and down, that would be what? W bar, X bar, and Z. Without using the don't care. Let's try one more and see if we can get one that's more helpful. F of A, B, C, or D. The summation of 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 14, plus the summation of the don't care, 2, 6, 10, 12, and 15. They're saying this problem has 4 solutions. 12 and 15, not 14. I already used 14 here. A, B, C, D. Again, this location 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have a 1 at 5, at 7, at 9, 11, 13, 14. Don't care. 2, 6, 10, 12, where's the 12? And 15. Now I will use a don't care.
12, 13, 15, 14?
12. I mean this one, this way?
Yeah, I guess you don't need to use
You
something
could.
actually, because you're gonna use. Yeah, you don't need
Yep, notice if I take these four, and to get this one, you have two choices.
You do the four.
You got
like,
4 choices.
Yep, you can do this one, you can do this one, you can do that one,
We can do the other.
4 across here.
And then, or you could do the other 4 boxes.
or you can do this one. Yep. This one, this one. So here we go, I just do them dotted line. You can do them this way. You can do them this way. You can do them up and down or this way. So here we got to decide. I'm not going to write all 4 choices, but this is one group. This is another group here. And we can pick, just to make it less messy there, maybe I'll take the bottom half to make it less messy. So the pink one's only one choice. That's what? B and D, right? The yellow one, A, D. If I take the blue one, C, D bar. But if you don't want to take that, or if you don't want to do it this way, you can do this up and down.
which would just be
A, B. See, I like A, B better than C, D bar. Why? Because I need to have a NOT gate. This I don't have to have a NOT gate. Less connection. Or I can take this 4.
Also,
If I can take this 4, or if I take these 4, that'll give me what? B, C. Or if I take the last ones, just to get this one, that'll be A, C.
wouldn't the AB bar be best because then you don't use a C?
What I'm saying, anything with no actually bar in it, I will use, because notice there's no bar, no bar, no bar. I will never need a NOT gate.
Yeah.
With this having that piece there, if I was building this, I need a chip for the NOT gate. So I'll probably use any one of these, A, B, B, C, or AC. Any one of them.
If you use AB, you don't have to have C as an input.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, I see what you're saying, because you won't have to have any wire going from that switch C, yes, because you only have A and B and D. You could, yep. That eliminates one wire. Why not? So you have one of those options for the last one. I like the way you start to think, because normally computer science people don't look at it that way. But having gone to the lab and you know how the connections are, it's not fun to connect them. Now you're looking for a way to eliminate some of these. If I use CD bar, that means I need a chip now to do the NOT. That's one extra chip. It might be 56 or 50 cents or 60 cents. But if you're making thousands of them, they add up quickly. Plus, now you gotta, somebody said use AC, because that means you only have A, B, A, B. Where's AB? This one. That means you don't have to have any switch, any wire going to C. But you still have to have a wire going from B to 2 places. So it might not be going from C, because you get B and D, A and D, A and B. That means there's 2 inputs from B here, 2 wires from B. You're going from here to there and from here to the other one. So you still have another one, might be shorter wire, you know. But notice I'll use the don't care if they help me. If they don't help me, I'm not going to use them. That one doesn't help me here. If I make that a 1, then I got to have another piece now, make my circuit more complicated. So only use them if they help you. If they don't help you, throw them away. 4 solutions. You could have more than 4 solutions. I'll do 5 in a minute there. Try this one. So f of wxyz equals the summation of 1, 2, 5, 10, 12. Bless you. That don't care for that. 0, bless you. 0, 3, 4, 8, 13, 14, and 15. Lots of don't cares. wxyz. Again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 5, 10, 12. Don't care. 0, 3, 4, 8, 13, 14, and 15.
Don't think you can get down to 2.
There's lots of option here. Oh my goodness, there's so many options.
I think the 4 corners is the.
I'm going to do the 4 corners. You could also do this group here.
Yeah,
That's
but-
one option.
But then you can't get a 4 with a 10 if you don't do the 4 corners anyways.
Yeah,
You can still do the 4 corners.
Bottom right and the top.
Yeah. You can do the 4 corners. You can go this, 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 and that. Get the 4 corners and get that group. You can still do that. And if you don't want to do them that way, that's fine too. You can take these two with those two. Right?
We just do the
Those two with those two down. And take this group up and down.
We could have a square box with a 4 to 13.
You can do this one and this one. And the 4 corners. See that option too? There's actually 7 options here. There's lots of ways. So if you go in that direction, that's one group. That's this group. That's one choice. That's another choice. You can go them that way. If you do them that way, the yellow one will be what? W bar and Y bar. The blue one is WX. And the pink one is what?
X bar, Z bar.
X bar, Z bar. Now again, you could decide to do that differently. You could have taken this group, which is fine. Take this group, which is fine. And take the 4 corners. That'll be another option.
Well, we don't.
I'm looking, you could have taken these two with these two. See that?
And then you take the middle four and then the left column.
Yep. So you could done this and the four corners. You can do this, and the four, and this one. You can do this, and what else? Or these two with these two. This one in the four corners. There's a lot of ways of doing that. So I think you get to see the point for don't care. If they help me to simplify the expression, I make them a 1. If they don't, I'll make them a 0. And it doesn't matter if it's 4 variable K-map, 5, 6, 3, it doesn't change anything. I'll take a couple examples maybe with 5 variable K-map, and maybe I'll take one for 6 variable K-map and pray a little bit to make sure I can see him and leave the room with I can see. So let's take a 5 variable K-map with don't care in it. Here we go. H of A, B, C, D, and E. 5 variables. It's the summation of 0, 4, 12, 15, 27, 29, 30. Add to it the don't care at 1, 5, and 9. 10, 14, 16. 20, 28, 31. This is a 5 variable K-map, so I need 2 of them. Two of them. So here's 2 maps. The first one, when A is 0, B, C, D, E. A is 0. And the second one, B, C, D, E. When A is 1. Let me number them. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. You have a 1 at 4, at 12, at 15, at 27, at 29, and at 30. We have a don't care at 1, at 5, at 9, at 10, at 14, at 16, at 20, 28, and 31.
Does it tell you how many, like, terms we're supposed to have?
I didn't look at that one, actually. This one, I think it says 4 solutions.
The ones with 4 first.
Mm.
I guess top left box and
Notice, well, you're saying that's one solution. If you take these, you can also take these two with these two. That's where 2 different solutions right there.
Could you take 12, 14, 28, and 30?
12,
14,
14,
28,
28, yes.
Okay.
Yep, I could. But let's look at this. Can everyone see there's 2 sets of these? You can either take this group or with that group. These 2 ones with those 2 ones, that's a 4. Or you can go this way as a 4. It's just easier on me. Maybe I'll take these 4s. Notice I got a 1 here. I was looking to see if there's a better approach to that one.
Could you, where? If you take that,
yeah. For that one.
This one I can take it with this. I was also thinking I can take these 2 guys together. See how this one here?
there you go.
So let me color code here a little bit. That's an obvious one, so I'll leave it. I'll leave the color in case I need it. So the yellow one is actually, that will give me what? A is gone, A is changing. B is 1, C is 1. D is changing, E is 0, that's E naught.
15, 14, 31, 30.
15, 14, yes. Notice to get this one, I can do these 2. But I'm not going to do the 2 because I'd rather take these 2 with these 2. So if I take these guys, I'll cover this one. BC. Is that D?
And then,
I didn't write this one yet. This one, I don't have a choice except to take it this way, right?
yeah. But there's also another 4 one that you could do for the.
That one? Yep. So to read this one, I will take it as what? A is 1,
B.
B is 1, C is changing, D is 1, E is 1. And this circle, this 4 here,
A bar. B bar.
B is 0, that's B bar, C is changing, that's gone, D is 0, that's D bar, E is changing.
And for the last one, couldn't you just do the vertical?
Yep, that's the last one. So the last group, to get that 1 there, see that group there? If I take that group there, that's what? A is 1, BC. I like the color. Makes it easy to follow. This goes with that, this goes with this goes with the blue. I should have done that last time.
Especially with the 6 variable.
You need more colors.
I do actually.
For a 6 variable.
Even for this, I will need like 1 for this, 1 for that, but hey, I'm happy at least with 3. Maybe I'll get some feedback on the color from the people watching it online. We'll hear if they like it or not. Let's try another one. Then we'll hit a 6-variable K-map. This one has 8 solutions.
Only 8?
Only 8. Yep. And it's the summation of 8, 9, 11, 14, 28, and 30, plus D, or the summation of D. You might see a book not put the summation, just write D. That's the same thing. 0, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 13, 15, 20, 22, 27, 29, 31. Let's do 2 sets of K-map here. B, C, D, E. I'm getting tired of numbering these. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We have a 1 at 8, at 9, at 11, and at 14, at 28, it's got to find it, and at 30. I see a good one right there already. Let's see what they don't care. 0, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 13, 15. There's another group of 4 right there if I need them. 20, 22, 27, 29, and 31.
You take a group of 8.
Yeah, I see the 8.
Me too. Let's see if we need that first.
Yeah, we will. Because,
So you can do this group.
You could do a 4.
You can do this group. Then you can do this and this. Does that cover all the ones? If we do that?
Yeah.
This is one group. We also have the yellow group, which is right here. And we have
4, 12, 26, 28. There's also a different way to do that 8.
there's 8 different ways actually for this problem.
That 8 grouping, instead of doing it in a line, you could do 26, 28, 4, 12.
26, 28, this and this with this and this. Yes. Yep. So if you don't want to use this group, you can take these two with these two. If you don't want to group these 4s the way we did, we can leave this one the way it is and take this and this together to get that pink one. See these two for the pink one instead of these 4? You could have done them that way.
You could do the top 4 on the left too.
Here?
With no left, you could just do the top row.
Well, because I already grouped this one. I wouldn't. Oh, I see what you're saying. I see, yep. So I could have done this one as one group, this as another group. That's a third solution. Yeah, there's so many. Yep. There's so many solutions to that one. So it's just a matter which way you want to go with it. Yep, you could have took all of this as one group, all of these as one group, and you can take it with this, or all of this, these two with these two. That's 8 of them. If you don't want to use the top row, you can take this with the blue, that's another group, this, 2, 2, 2, 2. If you don't want to take the pink one as one group, you can take the pink, take this as a group, these two with these two as a group, with this one, or these two with these 4. So this will give me what? The blue one gives me A is gone, B, C. The yellow one, A is 0. So A bar, B, and what do we have? D bar. The pink one, if I use this group here, I can have A bar, B, and E, right? E. And we might have time for one more for 6 variable now. Let's end it with a bang.
Are you trying to make us work for
You know, we have to. We are halfway through the semester today. When you leave this weekend, when you go home this Friday, you are halfway through the course. Believe it or not. Yep, halfway. Mid-semester grades are due next week, next Thursday, the deadline for them.
Will those be on Blackboard?
No, on WebAdvisor. So let's see if I can find a 6 variable K-map with don't care here.
Are you in physics 1 and 2 right now? So I'll see you next semester.
I don't see anything actually in our book here.
Just make one up.
I'm going to make one out, yep. So I'm going to make one up because I don't see it. There we go. It's the summation of zero, 1, 2.
Wait, don't we need an F?
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F. I know I used the G for a reason. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Oh, I don't know why I closed it. I'm not done.
We're done.
5, yep.
245.
Let's do it.
7, 9. 15, 17, 19. 21, 23, 26. 39, 40, 42. 55, 57. 59, 60. And 63. Let's add to it the don't care. 3, 6, 13, 27, 29, 30, 31, 35, 37, 44, 45, 46, 47, 49, 53, 61, 63. I have no idea what's going to be there.
62.
No, I just didn't put 62.
No,
Oh yeah, because I have 63 there, right. Yep. I'll make this a 62, yep.
Oh, you just made this one up?
Yeah. I have no idea. Every time I do a K-map, 4 of them next to each other, I end up squishing them together. So you know what, I'm going to put them in 2 layers, maybe. I don't know if I can fit them next to each other. I always end up in trouble there. Even with that, I can't. I mean, let me go with a new sheet of paper. I could never fit them all next to each other. I'll do it like this. I want to make them a little bit big there. They're not too squished together when I number them. So this is C, D, E, F. This is A equals 0, B equals to 0. Right next to it, C, D, E, F, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. A equals 0, B equals to 1. As I said, I always squish them, so I'll put the other 2 under them. But you got to picture that this is right next to it. C, D, E, F. And this is A equals to 1, B equals to 1. So this is the bottom, this is on top of it, this is on top of that. And we have one more that's on top of this one. C, D, E, F. And this will be A equals to what? 1, B equals to 0. So I don't need this table. I went to the next page with it. Uh-oh. You know what? I'll leave it there. When I copy this, it's going to be in the note, but there'll be nothing on it. Again, if you were to number these, I try to make them big so I can number them. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Now, this one, that's the top one. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 4 and 5, 56, 7, 58, 9, 60, 61, 62, 63. Whew. So that's why I put them actually on top of each other, because if I put them next to each other, when I write these numbers, the box is really full. So we have a value of 1 at 0, at 1, at 2, at 4, at 5, at 7, at 9, at 15, at 17, 19, where's 19? 21, 23, 26, 39, let me find the 39. Where's the 39? Here we go. 40, 42, 55, 57, 59, 60, and 63. Now they don't care. At 3, at 6, at 13, at 27, where's my 27? At 29, at 30, at 31, 35, 37, 44, 45, 46, 47, 49, 53, 61, and 62. Okay.
You don't see a 16.
I see an 8 here.
Yeah.
Because these 4 here.
Middle and all of them is 16.
Yep. Yep. So you want to do the first group, the middle one, since it's not all of them?
Oh.
So we'll give that the color yellow. So that yellow group, A and B are gone. C going from 0 to 1, that's changing. D is 1, that's a D. And E is going from 0 to 1, that's gone. F is 1, that's F.
Yeah, the 8 for the first part, I think still stands.
Yeah, because these two here, there's nobody to group with them, these two. So to take them, I can take them as a 2, or I can take them as one group. Since they're in one map, I'm not going to color them. And notice A is 0, B is 0, A bar, B bar. And what do we have? C bar, D is gone, E is gone, F is gone.
There's another 8 group in,
8?
yeah, another group of 8, 60, 61, 62, 63.
You mean these here and these? Is that what you're talking about?
No, I'm talking about the vertical one in the same spot.
The vertical one.
61, 60, 61, 62, 63, 44.
Oh, this one here?
47.
Yep. Notice I got that one. I'm trying to figure out what to do with the one, and you want to take them with those group? I have no problem. Take them with that group. I'm looking to see if if I can grab it somewhere else. I don't think there's anywhere else I can grab that one. This one I can grab him differently, but that one, I'm stuck with it. So that one I got to take him with those 8. See him?
Yep.
If I take these, notice A is 0 to 1, A is changing. B is going 0. Wait a minute, I can't take these guys. Can't take them. That's a no-no.
They're too far apart.
Yep, there's that layer between them. Right? It's this layer, that layer, this. So I can't take that layer. That's a no. The blue's out.
Would that be the same as if you tried to group the very top left one and then the bottom right?
No, you can do the top. Which one? The top left? Yeah, you
Yeah.
can. No.
Because you're saying like,
These two, this is adjacent to this is adjacent to this is adjacent to this. They stack on top of each other.
Yeah.
Notice this on the bottom, this is above it, and I got one over it. I have one layer between them. They're not adjacent.
okay.
So I can't. That means I got to white all this blue here.
Could you do 40, 42?
Wait, let me just erase this. That's why sometimes it's easier if you put them next to each other. But when I put them next to each other on one line, I end up not enough space to write stuff. I don't write small. I got to learn how to write small. So that's not there.
It's only a 4 group if it works.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of 4 groups actually. There's a group of 4. There's a group of 4. I can take them. I can take that group of 4. I can take. You know what? If I take this group of 4, I can take these two to get that one.
Yeah.
I can do it with this one. That will get that one on the top. So let me change my blue color to this now. Those are next to each other. And if you look at A went from 1 to 1, A stayed the same. B from 1 to 0, B is changing. C is 1, D is 1, E and F are changing.
Could you take 40, 42, and 0 and 2?
Which one? 40 here?
Yep, 40, 42. And
40 and 42.
Yes, he said 2.
These 4? I could.
No, 40, 42.
It's,
Well, I guess that works also.
Nope.
on the right.
Those guys not adjacent.
No, not that one. 0 and 2. Top left, top bottom right.
It's all-
Top left.
Top left of CD.
This one?
Yeah, that one. And the bottom right box.
Can't take this one, can't grab this one with any here. But I can take these guys like this.
Why can't you?
I can't take it with that, that's not adjacent to
No,
it.
the left box. Top left.
This one,
Top left.
top left,
Yeah, why can't you?
take this with what here? Remember, this like stacked on top of it like this has to be sitting on top of it right there. There's nothing here.
He was saying like 42, 40. and
42 and 40, where's the 40? These two.
And then wrap it to the corner at 0 and 2.
This one?
Yeah.
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 You can't do that?
No.
Why not?
No, you gotta picture them like, not like this, flip them like this, has to be like on top of each other, these two stacked on top of each other. So I can take these two, these four here, and that'll give me A, B bar, what do we have here? C, D is gone, E is gone, F bar. I see that 1 here. I'm out of luck. I can take him as a 4 here. And that'll give me A bar, B. And that will make it what? C, E. And finally, I got 2 1s here. And
Also
the
got another 2 ones in the top right box.
top, this one here. Yeah, I can take them as 1.
No, not that one.
Let me take these 2 to cover these 2 here. And that'll be A, B,
Wait,
C,
never mind. Thought-
and F. And there is that 1 still sitting here.
There's also the ones to your right
1 to my right. Oh yeah, these 2 ones. These I can take them as a group.
of 8.
Oh, you know what? Oh, okay. Yep. So I gotta take this group out. And-
Actually, wait.
Go ahead. I still need that group of yellow. Take it,
No,
the 16.
There's a different way to. Never mind.
Go ahead. Nope.
That doesn't work.
Yep, and the last group is this group right here. And if I can
What's
fit,
up with 8 in that group though?
which group?
Uh,
Oh, with this one here?
yeah.
Yep, I can take them with this. Now give them a different color here. I did not use. And that answer to that will be what? A is 0, B is changing, that's A bar. C is 0, did not change. D is changing. E is changing. F is not. And hallelujah. So your answer is this. Add all these pieces together. That's what the answer is. If you can follow that, you're better than me. Notice I did not need this X, didn't use it. Did not need that X, didn't use it. The rest actually I end up using.